Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to cancel your Ticketmaster tickets. So from your homepage you need to go to your account settings, just press on my account here from the top right, then go to your upcoming events. This is basically where all of your tickets are stored. This is upcoming events basically means that you have tickets that you are just yet to use. You also have past events and listings, but you need upcoming events. Alright, as you can see I don't have currently any tickets purchased because I'm just making a tutorial. So all of your purchased tickets will be available here in the upcoming events section. So and how to request a refund. So you can also go to this link with help.ticketmaster.com, and as you can see, if we read this small guide here on how to refund our tickets or exchange them as well. So all sales are final. Event organizers determine refund guidelines and are only allowed in limited circumstances. So basically not every ticket is eligible for refund or exchange. So keep that in mind. And in here, as you can see, we have two reasons as to why we might want to request a refund. So the first one is event rescheduled, postponed or moved. So if you, for example, did not have time to attend a certain event at a certain time or a day, right, and you just want to cancel it and have your money back, you can do that with this reason. And also if, of course, event is cancelled, that's the second reason. Obviously, if you purchase the ticket but for some reason event is not going to happen, of course you are eligible for a refund. So I have a few screenshots here. Alright, as you can see, we have my account, my events, event details, and in here, as you can see, we have a request refund button. Depending on what kind of ticket you're choosing, if you have multiple, choose your ticket and press request a refund. Then some time will pass, and if you're eligible for refunding for a certain ticket, you will have your money back. Another screenshot, as you can see, refunds are available if your event is cancelled, and this is what it will look like on the mobile version. If you have a Android app or you just want to access Ticketmaster from your phone, from your browser, this is what it will look like. Press on this request refund button and you're set. And this is, guys, how to refund your ticket on Ticketmaster. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to press subscribe and click the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.